Hi, and welcome back to Practical Project with Vue.js 2. This is the first video in our PhotoSpot series. So PhotoSpot is a photo sharing application. You can see all these cute puppies here. These have been uploaded by me as test images. It's got a Vue router-based spa-style navigation system. So you can click and get details on each of these. You can see the URL up here change as we navigate from page to page. It's also got a drag and drop file upload section over here. All you need to do is just drag an image and just drop it on there, and it automatically uploads. It's also got a chat system over here that you can then type in messages into and have a chat between everyone looking at all the images and how great cute these puppies are. All of that's backended by Pusher, which is a real-time messaging system that has good support in Laravel, which is the PHP-based server framework that we're going to use for this app. So how are we going to build it? Well, first we're going to create the Laravel server, and then we're going to add models for the photo, comment, and chat elements. Those are going to be stored using a SQLite database, but managed by an object relational mapping system provided by Laravel. On top of that, we're going to build a REST API, and that's going to be connected to a Vuex store for the UI. Then we're going to get the file upload working, and then we're going to add Vuetify and Vue router. So that will give us the multiple pages. Then we're going to get the basic layout mechanics going. We're going to add the home page, add the detail page and the chat window. And finally, we're going to finish up by integrating that Pusher real-time messaging system between the server and the client to give us a really nice feeling app. As people add new photos, we'll see them immediately without having to do any page refreshes. And what we're going to do in this is introduce you to the project and then lay out how we're going to build it all out. So let's first have a look at PhotoSpot. So let's have a quick glance at what the layer cake structure looks like for this app. Down at the bottom, you're going to have a SQLite database that's going to store references to the photos along with their names, comments about the photos, and then chats. The actual photos themselves are going to be managed by just basic file storage. That's all going to be managed by PHP Laravel-based application. On the client side, we're going to have a Vuex store up on top of that. And then at the component level, we're going to have a layout, which is going to have a home and a detail page as different Vue router routes. The chat system is going to be consistent and managed by the layout so that as you navigate from page to page, you never lose your context of the chat. And then within the home page, we're going to have some extra components, one for the drag and drop and one for an image card that's going to be replicated around. So you can go and see how you kind of have a nested set of components that you then reuse.